Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I'm in sunny Cancun, Mexico. We got a great episode coming up. We have best tropical destination stories, and then for Appies with Chappy by Lake, I'm going to make fried wonton wrapper pierogies and a Commodore. So sit back, relax, and have a drink with me, my little Chihuahua movie. Hey fella, I see your shoulder's all messed up. What do you got, scoliosis? It's just a hunch. You know, I had a date with a woman once, and she was a hunchback. I had the hole dug, but she didn't show up. Oh, hello. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode coming up. Aloha. I call this segment of the show Best Tropical Destination Stories. So right now I'm staying in Mexico, and the other night I had a nice Mexican dinner, and the dish was called, I believe it was called Braised Pechuga chicken. So it reminds me of a good tropical destination story. If you have any good tropical destination stories that you'd like me to read on my show, just send them to chappiness@yahoo.com, and I will surely do so. So this is my best tropical destination story, and I had Pechuga chicken last night. It reminded me of the word Pechuga, which triggered one of my cruise ship days stories. So I was working on a cruise ship outside of Mexico, and I was working in the casino, and I was dealing poker, and there was a bunch of wealthy Mexicans playing poker, and I was dealing to them, and there was one guy, he kept on throwing his cards in and saying Pechuga, and I thought he was swearing at me, and he kept on doing it, and I said, sir, what does Pechuga mean? So he goes, Pechuga is a small town outside of Mexico City, and there's nothing there, and that is what is in my hand. So that's my best tropical destination story. It just had the Pechuga chicken last night remind me of it.
Alright, coming up next we got Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, get in your kayak, Mookie.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Just in from sunny old Mexico.
I just flew in, and boy, my arms are tired. So today I have for my appetizer some fried pierogies I made out of wonton wrappers. See here how I did that. All right, and to go with my fried pierogies made out of wonton wrappers, I am going to make a beverage. This is called a Commodore, and I'm getting this from a trusty bartender's guide. It's on page 139 if you're following at home or in church. And all right, here we go, a Commodore. So I'm gonna do this in my shaker. Little ice in the shaker. And it calls for 2 ounces of bourbon. I got a little Jack. Me and Jack go way back. And 3/4 ounce of creme de cacao. This is a chocolatey liqueur. And it says 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I'm just going to give it a little squeeze with this lemon. I'm getting lemon all over my bartender's guide. And it says a dash of grenadine. I don't have any grenadine, but I do have some liquid from my maraschino cherry. So I'm going to use that as a substitute for grenadine. All right. We'll give that a shaky. And then for Commodore, it says ingredients into a shaker with ice. Shake and strain into a champagne flute. I know this is not a champagne flute, but we did put ice in it. So we're going to pour it over ice. It's a nice pinkish hue. And that is a Commodore to go with my fried pierogies made from wonton wrappers. And that concludes another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Well, what time do you think your husband will be back? Well, that gives us lots of time, baby. I'll be quick. Oh, hello. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.